right here.
My favorite animal? I think it's gonna be the big black horse. Which one's your favorite animal?
My favorite is this horse.
Mine? Oh, the little gray donkey?
No, a horse.
Oh, the horse. What about the lion? Is he mean? Roar.
Okay, what's your favorite animal?
Maybe this one?
That one. My favorite.
Oh, look at the movie. Oh, you want to go see it?
Yeah.
All right, we'll go see it.
Your favorite is this one?
Yeah. Hi, this is Daisy, Animal Surprise. We want to show you the lion and, the little wolf. Wolf. Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay. And I don't know what else. It has to be in the front. And then the little dog. What do you want to tell them, Jayla? Our friends.
There's a little donkey horse.
Okay, a little donkey horse. Okay. What else do you have?
And a little tiger.
A little tiger. Okay. No, it's a leopard.
No, it's tiger.
It's a leopard.
No, what tiger?
Okay, and then
And we have a dog. Too.
and I think that's all.
Yeah.
We have an empty wrapper of Skittles that Jayla ate.
No, I'm not.
You ate it.
Oh, I forgot another animal.
Okay, go get it. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
You found the laundry? Okay.
I work for Play Network, and
This too.
What is that? Which was that one?
Well, I just found it.
Oh, it's a camel.
Yeah. I found it.
Barbie rides a camel.
Yep. But that's the all the.
Is that all? Okay, say goodbye. See you guys next time. All right, everyone. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Say bye.